Hi, welcome back. Once again, I am welcoming you all to this beautiful online learning platform, An Academy. An Academy is the India's largest online learning platform. So, I am welcoming you all to this online learning platform. Now, we are happy to announce that An Academy is going to providing online training for GATE and engineering service examinations. So with these classes, by staying at your home itself, you can get the classes of top educators from India. Okay, top educators means they are going to be the toppers from IIT, toppers in GATE examination, and top gold medalists from IITs, and ex-IAS officers who got the top ranks in IAS examination, and well experienced faculty. Okay, the GATE field. So from those faculty, you are going to getting the online classes. Just by staying at your home itself, you can get your classes. No need to travel anywhere, no need to move anywhere. Okay, just by staying at your home itself safely, you can get the classes. You can complete your GATE training, and unnecessary no need to spend time for transportation. Okay, now about myself, I G Venkatrao. I have 16 plus years of teaching experience. So far I mentored more than 60,000 students for their GATE examination. At present, I am pursuing PhD from JNTU Kakinada, and my specialization is VLSI design. Now, see, just we check how to get An Academy learning app. Just go to Play Store in your device, type An Academy, and after that you will get the An Academy learning app like this. Now here, just click on this install button. It will install the An Academy learning app into your device. Very simple. Okay, by open that app in your device, it will shows what are the different courses available in An Academy, and each course handled by which faculty, that means which educator, and credentials of that educator. You will get that complete information in that. Now, so what you are getting by joining An Academy is, so you are getting daily live classes. In that live classes, you can chat with your educator, engage in discussions, and you can ask your doubts and answer the polls. You can do all these things while class is going on. Okay, so faculty will ask some questions to you and he will create a poll and you can answer those polls. Okay, these are the things you are getting. First step. Second step, live tests and quizzes. Okay, so whatever the subject or topic you prepared, so your preparation is going to be evaluated, okay, by conducting a regular mock tests and quizzes. Okay, after that you get the detailed analysis of your preparation or your performance on that exam. So by preparing the topic, how you perform in the exam and what is your performance, everything you will get. Okay, with proper analysis. Next, structured courses. Okay, see, whatever the courses here we have, every course is going to be well structured with your exam syllabus. Okay, to help you the best for it. Okay, every syllabus is structured effective properly based on your exam, and unlimited access. So once you take the subscription, okay, you can access it to all our live sessions and recorded courses to watch from the comfort of any of your devices. See, devices. So you can, for example, one class is going on. Okay, there is some problem, some network issue at your end. So 5 minutes you are unable to listen the class. So you did not attend the 5 minutes of time during this class session. Now you have some doubt, or you have some doubts, you want to listen that class once again. So all these facilities we are providing, you can get by once you take a subscription. There you get live classes as well as recorded classes. Whatever this session already completed yesterday or day before, okay, completed or last week, you can get those classes also. You can listen those classes also. That facility is available, okay, on your device of your comfort, either mobile, laptop or desktop or tab, that device of your comfort. Okay, by connecting that one in your mobile to TV also, you can connect it and you can operate like that. So with that comfort, you can get the live sessions or recorded sessions. So that facility is also going to be you are getting by joining in this. Now there are two subscriptions in this. One is a plus plan, other one is iconic plan or iconic subscription. In iconic subscription, we will take your gate preparation to the next level with personal coach. We are providing a personal coach to you. Okay, now, so personal coach means, so get one-on-one guidance from top exam experts as your personal coach. So see carefully, get one-on-one. For every individual student, we are providing one personal coach to you. Okay, he is the top exam experts. They are the top exam experts. They are the experts in that examinations. Okay, we are keeping them as your personal coach, and they will analyze your preparation. Okay, and they will like your exam and everything. Okay, and finally they align your preparation strategy and learning resources. What is your preparation strategy? How you have to prepare? That means proper study plan they will provide to you. Okay, and learning resources, whatever the material you want to prepare for preparation of those topics, they will provide that material also to you. Okay, so my dear students, this is the wonderful opportunity to you. Don't miss this. Okay, and study tracker. So by participating in study tracker plan, okay, what is study tracker? Plan and study booster workshops, evaluate your progress in by weekly reviews with personal coach. By review with weekly with personal coach, okay, and booster workshops. We are conducting booster workshops. That means to boost your rank, we are conducting some workshops continuously. So by attending that, okay, you can evaluate your progress. Where am I? Where is my rank? Where I am? Okay, you can boost like that. Okay, and mains question and answer practice. So strengthen your mains exam answer by writing through a regular practice with evaluation and personalized feedback. See, whatever the exam you are going to be writing, that exam, from that exam, you are going to be getting strengthened. You are practicing how to answer a question. That is your strength. If you are writing more number of examinations, means you are going to be more strengthened. Okay, and by attending more number of examinations like that, okay, by regular practicing, you can evaluate and you will get personalized feedback. We are providing a feedback to you based on that exam what you are writing. Okay, now with respect to that, all benefits who are the plus subscription providing, you are getting all that benefits also. So live classes from top educators, mock tests and quizzes, structured batch courses, okay, in with your exam, within your exam syllabus. Okay, these are the benefits you are going to be getting. Next, plus subscription. Plus subscription. See, in this plus subscription, daily live classes is that. So already we discussed with this in your iconic subscription. So chat with your educator, engage in discussion, ask your doubts and answer polls. All these things you are getting. Structured courses, a well structured course for your exam. Okay, and live tests and quizzes. So tests are going to be continuously conducting, and quizzes also. From that you can analyze your performance. A detailed analysis of your performance we are going to be providing to you, and unlimited access. So wherever you want, you can use that unlimited access. Once class is completed, that record session is available throughout your subscription period, for example 1 year or 6 months. Okay, based on that plan what you are taking, up to that 1 year, a number of whatever the videos available in your course, all those videos you can view number of times. Unlimited access, unlimited access, that facility is available to you. Okay, this is about your plus plan. Okay, now welcome back. Our today's topic is transistor biasing, and in that, importance and need for biasing we are going to. Okay, first of all, what is the meaning of transistor biasing? First of all, you should know what is transistor. Okay, now transistor. What is transistor? I start from what is transistor, and after that, so these are the topics we are going to discuss. These are the topics here we are going to discuss. First, transistor definition. Second one is different modes or regions of operation. Modes or regions of operation. Operation. Third one, required region of operation. Required region of operation. In which region we need to operate it. That one. Okay, after that, importance of biasing. First, okay, what is biasing? After that we are going to. What is biasing? And from this you are getting importance of biasing. How much important it is for you. And after that, need for biasing. What is the need for it? Need for it. Need for biasing. So this is the order we are going to be following. Okay, first I am going to define transistor. Now, what is transistor? See, transistor is basically, it is a current device. It is a current device. What is the meaning of current device? So I want the meaning of it. What it means? What it means? What is the meaning of that? It means at output it provides current to you. That's it. Simple, very simple. At output it provides current to you. That's it. That is the transistor. A device which provides current at output, that is transistor. Now, this current should be under your control. That current should be under your control. How to control that? So to control that, you can control it from input side. Now, to control that, I am taking either input current or input voltage. So I am going to using input current to control that. No, I am going to using input voltage. Okay, you can use it, no problem. If you are using input current to control output current, that is called current controlled current device. And if you are using input voltage to control output current, that is called voltage controlled current device. Voltage controlled current device. Okay, now so CCCD means current controlled current device. Okay, and after that we have VCCD, voltage controlled current device. Voltage controlled current device. Now, the example for this one is BJT, bipolar junction transistor, and the example for this one is FET. Example for that one is FET. Okay, now so the example for CCCD is BJT, bipolar junction transistor, and for this FET, field effect transistor. This is the example for voltage controlled current device. Now, in a transistor means BJT and FET both are combinedly called it as a transistor. But in general, BJT, we are calling BJTs in general. BJT is we called regularly by transistor. Now I am going to taking our definition to transistor. Okay, BJT. Now, see this. BJT. Just before you mention, BJT is a current controlled current device. Current controlled current device. That means output current is controlled by input current. Okay, that is the current controlled current device. Now in this BJT, and one more, it is a bipolar device. Bipolar device. It means bipolar device. Okay, and at the same time, what is BJT? How we are calling this one by BJT? See this. B represents bipolar. J represents junction. T represents transistor. there is a much meaning in this. Bipolar means two junctions. Sorry. Bipolar means current is due to two type of charge carriers, both majority and two types of carriers. Two types of carriers are participating in conduction, both majority and minority. Junction means in this two junctions it has. Two junctions it has. Transistor means current device. This is the meaning of bipolar junction transistor. Okay, two types of charge carriers are participating at two junctions, and it is basically it is a current device. That is the bipolar junction transistor. Okay, so this is the basic information about your transistor. And okay, the previously whatever the definition we given, that is a common definition for both BJT as well as FET. Now for BJT, how can I give a, is there any separate definition for BJT? Now, yeah, there is a separate definition for BJT. The definition. So now onwards, I am going to calling BJT as simply transistor. Transistor. So once I call transistor means you can keep it in your mind, that is BJT. We are discussing about BJT. If it is a FET, clearly we will specify it is FET or JFET or MOSFET type of FET. Okay, now see, there is a specific definition for transistor, and the definition is given in the view of its basic application and its majority of application. The majority of applications of FET BJT is as an amplifier. Okay, the majority application of transistor is as an amplifier. Okay, now in that view they define the BJT or transistor. See this. Now I am going to giving the definition for it. See, this is the definition. Transfer of input signal current from low resistance region to high resistance region. So transfer of input signal current, whatever the input signal you are applying, that signal current, it is transferring from low resistance region to high resistance region. That is the BJT or transistor. And there is another definition for this. You may ask one thing, sir, I am not applying any input signal. Here you are saying that transferring of input signal current you are saying, but I am not using any input signal. Then at that time what happens? See, at that time it is going to transfer a constant current. At that time it is transfer a, see this, here it is a input signal current. If I am not applying any input signal, at that time it will transfer the constant current. That means by applying a DC supply to that, it is going to maintaining some constant current, and it will transfer that constant current from low resistance region to high resistance region. Okay, now so Now next it is a transfer of constant current. Constant current from low resistance region to high resistance region. High resistance region. So this is the transistor. This is the exact definition for transistor. Okay. Now see this. In this amplification also involved in that. See, current is transferring from low resistance and constant current is it is transferring basically it is transferring constant current. So low resistance, so at input side voltage is I into R, resistance is low resistance into current. At output side high resistance into same current, so resistance is high, so output voltage is high. So output voltage by input voltage, high resistance by low resistance approximately. If I take it kilo ohms and if it is ohms, at output I get of the order of kilo, that means of the order of 1000, I will get the gain. That means that much number of times your input signal is increasing at output side. So in this definition, amplification of transistor also involved in this. Okay. Now, this is the introduction about your BJT, and after that, I am going to constructing this construction of it, and from that construction we check what are the regions of operation. So this is the exact way of constructing your transistor. Yes. Now, so this is, let us take NPN transistor. NPN transistor. We have two types of transistors, NPN or PNP. And this is the emitter terminal, it is base terminal, and it is collector terminal. We know that. And emitter is heavily doped, base is lightly doped, and collector is moderately doped. Now, here you observed or not, there is a junction between base to emitter. Now simply we call that junction is emitter junction, and there is another junction between base to collector, that is called collector junction. That is called collector junction, JC. So here JE represents JE means emitter junction. Emitter junction, and JC means collector junction. So now onwards I am going to using this terminology. So emitter junction means, once again I am writing that it is the junction between base to emitter. Junction, or that means PN junction between base to emitter. And collector junction, it is a junction between base to collector. Between base to collector, I think so some region is not visible to you. So collector junction means junction between base to collector, and emitter junction means junction between base to collector. That's it. These are the two junctions present in this. And if I give one PN junction to you, you are going to bias it, or you are going to operate it either in forward bias or in reverse bias. But here you have two junctions. Okay, now so once two junctions you have, you can operate it in four different ways. Now I am going to modes of operation. Modes or regions of operation. Operation. Modes or regions of operation. So I am going to taking a table. First one is about emitter junction. Second one is about collector junction. And after that, and it is a region of operation, and last one is application. Yeah. So first one is emitter junction. This is about emitter junction. This is about your collector junction, and this is a region of operation. And this is application. See, emitter junction. Okay, let us first step I am taking. Emitter junction is in forward bias, and collector junction is also in forward bias. Okay, and that is called, region of operation is called saturation region. Okay, and that application is, it acts as a on switch. It acts as a on switch. That is the first application and first region of operation. You may ask one thing. Emitter junction is forward bias, fine. Collector junction is in reverse bias, fine. Sorry, collector junction also in forward. Both the junctions are in forward, and we call it saturation, fine. If emitter junction is more forward bias compared to collector junction, that is called forward saturation region. Okay, or normal saturation region. If collector junction is more forward bias compared to emitter junction, that is called reverse saturation region. Okay, or inverse saturation region. Next one is, it is over. The next region is Emitter junction is reverse bias. Collector junction is also in reverse bias. That is called cutoff region. Cutoff region. Here it acts as off switch. Its application here is as a off switch. As a off switch. Okay, now next, see this. Emitter junction is forward bias. The collector junction is in reverse bias. Collector junction is in reverse bias. Then that region of operation is called forward active region, forward or normal active region, or simply we call it active region also, and here it acts as an amplifier. It acts as an amplifier. This is very important. It is acting as an amplifier. And the next one is last one, or last possibility. Emitter junction is in reverse bias. Collector junction is in forward bias. Collector junction is in forward bias. That is called reverse active region. Reverse active region or inverted region. Inverted region. And here it acts as attenuator. Attenuator. Here its application is, it acts as an attenuator. Okay. This is the application of this. So these are the different modes of operations of transistor. Now, what you want in this, what do you want? In which region you want to operate? See, the default region of operation of your transistor is in active region, because in active region, you observed or not, it is acting as an amplifier. Okay. So in this region it is acting as an amplifier. So because of that, this is going to be the default region of operation. Default region of operation. This is okay. So now onwards, our intention is to operate our transistor in active region effectively. Okay. This is our intention. So now onwards, we need to operate our transistor in forward active region or normal active region. Okay, I'm writing that in detail. Forward active region or normal active region and active region. You can call it by any name, all are equal. The meaning of all these is same. Okay, these are the different modes of operations of your transistor. Okay, in that default region of operation is active region. Okay, next. So after modes of operation, our topic is, see this, it is completed. So required region also we mentioned already, what region it is need to be operate. Modes of regions are operate completed. Now we need to go for what is biasing. Yeah. Now biasing. See, first of all, I am taking the active region. So in active region, what is active region? Emitter junction is in forward bias, and collector junction is in reverse bias. This is active region. Okay, now I am doing the same thing here. I am taking the transistor and I am going to biasing it in a reverse, and forward and reverse. So this is a transistor. Now this is transistor, collector. So my dear students, please be careful of symbol. It is base, it is emitter. So this is NPN transistor. NPN transistor. Okay. So NPN transistor it is. Now see this. This is going to be our emitter junction between base to emitter. This is emitter junction and this is collector junction. So this junction should be in forward bias. Forward bias means simply I am going to connecting N connecting to negative, P connected to positive. Forward bias. Reverse bias means N connected to positive, P connected to negative. That is reverse bias. Now here emitter junction is in forward bias and collector junction is in reverse bias. So this is biasing. Okay, in this let us take this voltage VEE and this voltage VCC. So to operate the transistor in active region like this, we need two power supplies. This is the drawback in this. Two power supplies. One is VEE, other one is VCC. So it requires two power supplies. Okay. Two power supplies. So that is the drawback in this. Okay. Now we need to operate transistor in active region with single power supply is called biasing. Okay. So operating the transistor in active region with single power supply is called biasing. See, there are different definitions for biasing. With respect to region of operation, we can define it. With respect to power supply, you can define it. In terms of base current, you can define. In terms of collector current, you can define. In terms of operating point, you can define. In terms of power supply and external resistors, you can define different ways of definitions for biasing. But overall thing is, we are going to operating our transistor in active region, or whatever the base current you are providing, that base current should take your transistor into active region. That is biasing. In terms of collector current, keeping the constant collector current constant in active region, keeping constant collector current in active region is called biasing. Now, selection of proper power supply and external resistors is called biasing. Like that, we can define biasing in different ways. Okay, this is the first level of definition for biasing. So here, operating the transistor in active region, that is our main intention. Main intention is in active region with a single power supply, because in previous case we observed there we are going to using two power supplies. With a single power supply you need to operate it. Okay, so this is called biasing. Now in future, you get in later sessions, you are getting different definitions for that. In terms of base current we define, in terms of emitter current, in terms of collector current you are defining, in terms of power supply and external resistors also we are defining that. Okay, this is the definition for biasing. Okay, and after that definition, need for biasing, we are going to know. Biasing. What is the necessity to bias it? What is the need for it? Why are you biasing your transistor? If it is not biased properly, then what happens? See, our first main intention is to use your transistor as an amplifier. To use your transistor as an amplifier, that is our main intention. Okay, to use your transistor as an amplifier, it should be operate in active region. Just before we observed it is. Okay, now so to operate this one in a active region, we need to choose proper supply voltage, supply voltage, magnitude as well as polarity, and external resistors, so need to choose proper supply voltage and external resistors with the transistor. Okay, so you need to choose these things. Okay, proper selection of these things is also called as a biasing. That is the need for biasing. In biasing, what we have done, after properly bias your device, what happens? Once it is properly biased, it will provide output power is greater than input power. Okay, then only your signal is amplified. Okay, so to provide, after biasing, what it has to provide do? It is providing output power high. Okay, now so here output signal power is to get output signal power greater than input signal power greater than input signal power. Okay, that means power level has to be increased. For that purpose, you need to go for biasing. Okay, see, the meaning of all these things is operating transistor in active region effectively. Okay, that is the need for biasing. Whatever the step you can take. Okay, first step, last step, you can follow anything, anyone you can take, but the intention behind that one is to operate your transistor active in active region effectively. That is the need for biasing. Is it okay? See this, we are claiming that our educators are top educators because of this. See this Tiwari sir, he is the IIT topper. He has 7 years of GATE and engineering service exam experience, and he is the author of the book GATE in 75 days. And he is teaching mechanical engineering. Ankit Goyal sir, he obtained All India first rank twice in GATE electrical, and he was awarded President of India gold medal in IIT Indo. He teaches electrical and electronics engineering. Sanchit Jain sir, he is the computer science faculty. He has more than 8 years of teaching experience and sound experience in teaching the students. And Jaspal Singh sir, he is the ex-IAS officer. He got All India 4th rank, and he is a scientist, GATE and state service exams and PSU topper, and ex-senior MADEZ faculty. You know what is MADEZ? He has more than 12 years of teaching experience. Because of all these things, we are claiming that our educators are the top educators. Okay, here are few more top educators from an academy, from different departments. You observed or not? Everyone is from different departments. Here few more: mechanical, mathematics, mechanical, computer science and IT, mechanical. Okay, mathematics, different departments. See, once we glance, what are the different disciplines available in an academy? First one is electronics and communication engineering, chemical engineering, mechanical engineering, computer science and IT department, instrumentation engineering, electrical engineering, civil engineering, production and industrial engineering. These are the different engineering disciplines available in an academy, okay, for online training, for GATE and engineering service exam. Now here are the two subscriptions, plus subscription and iconic subscription. These are the two plans. Plus plan is the basic plan, and iconic plan take your GATE preparation to the next level with personal coach. In plus plan, India's best educators are handling your subjects. There are interactive live sessions, structured courses and PDFs, live tests and quizzes. Here also you are getting same thing, but here we are going to show the difference. Here, just before I mentioned, we are providing a personal coach to you. That personal coach is going to do the personalized test analysis. Once you've written test, your personal coach is going to do the personalized test analysis, and based on that they will prepare a proper study planner to you, and they provide respect to study material also to you. Okay, these are the advantages by getting a personal coach. So to get that personal coach, you need to join an iconic plan. Now just we check the cost for each and every plan. Now plus plan is available in different subscriptions: 1 month subscription, 3 month subscription, 6 month subscription, 1 year, 1.5 and 2 years. And the beauty here is EMI optionals are available. And for 1 month subscription, 1 year subscription, it is 30,250 rupees. by using my code VRAW10 during subscription, you get it by 10% discount, 27,225 rupees only. Okay, so you get with less cost, 10% discount. And if you joined at outside offline training throughout year, that means during public holidays and weekends, you need to attend the offline training classes. So at that time you need to spend this much, minimum 20,000 plus you need to spend for transport throughout your year. So just by adding little bit amount to that, you can get the plus subscription. So by staying at your home itself, you can listen the India's top educators classes. Okay, next. Now Iconic plan. So Iconic plan is available in two subscriptions, 1 year subscription and 2 year subscription. For 1 year subscription, it is cost is 50,250 rupees, and for 2 years it is 74,000 rupees. So it is 50,250 rupees for 12 months, 1 year. And EMI option also available here. By using this much, by using my code VRAW10 during subscription, you get it by 10% discount, 45,225 rupees only. 45,225 rupees only. Okay, and don't forget to use my code VRAW10 during subscription. And one more thing here is, this amount is the amount what you are pay in most of the institutions for offline training throughout year. And with that amount, you are going to providing here, we are providing personal coach also to you. Please remember that personal coach we are providing. After completion of every exam or quiz what you attempted, he do the proper analysis of that, and they will identify where you are strong, where you need preparation, where you are doing mistakes. Okay, what topic you need to prepare effective, more preparation required, what topic you need to rewind the class multiple times. Okay, they will do that analysis weekly. Okay, so we are doing that analysis. That means you are going to identifying the gaps in your preparation. We are identifying the gaps in your preparation. Even though whatever the thing you can prepare, if you are unable to identify the gaps in your preparation, okay, if you are attempting the exam, you are getting the average marks. To get a top marks, first you should identify the gaps in your preparation. We are doing that by providing personal coach. Okay, so with that amount of whatever the amount you need to pay at outside for offline training, with that amount itself, you are getting the more benefits here. Please think once of it, discuss with your family and friends and the faculty who are having knowledge on engineering and GATE and engineering service examinations. Take their suggestions and take a right decision. That decision will change your life into a beautiful direction. Okay, now thanks for spending your valuable time with us, and don't forget to use my code VRAW10 during subscription. Don't forget, subscribe us and hit the bell icon for getting notifications. Please give your valuable comments on YouTube to strengthen ourselves, and join our Telegram group for getting latest updates on our upcoming videos. Okay, and thank you very much for spending your valuable time with us. Okay, and once again I am welcoming you all to this beautiful online learning platform, Unacademy. Thank you very much.